back to my channel. I'm LaToya Ebony.
And I am JQ Searles.
That is my husband.
Wifey sauce.
And we are going to be sharing some holiday gifts for the special men in your life. So in the beginning of the video, it's gonna be very general gifts you can give to pretty much anyone. And then we're gonna move into the tech side.
I'm a tech guy. You guys know it. So I'm gonna hook y'all up on the dope tech. And the tech side is gonna be focused on bringing DSLR quality to your phone. Can't wait to show you.
So the first gift idea is the Vlogmas gift box for men. It is a really cool gift and it really is universal. Let me show you what's inside. There are 5 items in this box, and first is this plush blanket. It has a velvet exterior. The inside has kind of like a fleece material. It's very soft and comfortable.
This is really ideal for any guy. So co-worker, husband, boyfriend. I would have loved this if I'm ever have a cold and you want to send somebody a gift just because you're thinking about them. I mean, it has all the things that's just perfect for it. So this is a nice one. It's a nice one.
Next is the stainless steel double insulated mug. It's 12 ounces. It is really nice. I actually really love the soft finish. It's like a satin finish to it.
And it keeps things warm and cool. So if you put cool in it, it stays cool. If you put things warm in it, it stays warm.
And it says awesome is my middle name. Some fuzzy socks with some beer mugs on it. It's really cute. And they're actually very soft.
And super stretchy. So it's definitely one of those, like, you know, you got the blanket. Guys are probably just wearing the boxers and you wearing the socks.
Right. Life socks, grab a beer. That's really cute. Next is this bath bomb, which I think is actually really unique because usually guys, we don't give them bath bombs and they deserve to soak in the tub too, you know?
Kids get bath bombs. I get some for Da Vinci all the time, but I'm excited to I get to have one that's not pink.
Yeah.
Or has lights in it.
And this is a hand and body soap that is infused with coffee. So it exfoliates the skin, it's softening. It has a very clean smell to it, but I can smell a little hint of coffee. It's not too overbearing and it's all natural. So I really, really think that this is really nice.
Well, and coffee's a good scent to help for cologne too. So guys, if you wear it, when you put cologne on top of it, it actually is a really good palate cleanser for whatever scent you have on.
I like that. Gift boxes are just perfect if you want a one and done gift. So whether it's your father, anyone, a coworker, you get it, you're done, it's great, and they're gonna love it.
Next up, we have Served. Served, I found this on Instagram, you guys. The account is hilarious. The object of the game actually is just to serve your significant other a card that makes them do whatever the card specifically says. You play it all year until the cards are gone. In this specific deck, which is a his and her, they have a kid's version, they have a best friend's version. But in this version, you have cards that I can technically give Toya. And this card specifically is the Sorcerer Stylist, and it says, this card grants you the power to dress your partner however you like for one day. Tart them up, tone them down, or send them out the door in completely something ridiculous.
Absolutely
and they
not. Would not do that. Absolutely
and they
not.
have to do it.
No, I do not.
But
like
that's where this other card is. See, but this is where Toya, when she doesn't want to do it, she can play the big fat no card. And so if she has this one in her deck, then she's like, nah, I'm gonna pull out this card because I ain't gonna go outside looking crazy. I got swag. I'm gonna keep her swaggy though. She's probably gonna have me in something crazy.
Yeah, I probably would. So that's just a great game for the family. There's different versions. And just so you know, I'm gonna be linking everything down below individually, but I do have a blog post that has for her, for him, for family, just so that you guys can visually see everything in a beautiful way and be able to shop. And now we're switching over to the tech side. I'm gonna let Jay take it away.
I wanna help you guys out on the photography side. This company called Moment, they started from Kickstarter. They're all about mobile photography in like an upscale way. They create lenses and cases for the phone. So I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, but this works for all kind of phones, all the way back to the iPhone 6, Samsung, Pixel, all the above. So right here I have the Moment case. If you see right here, this is a little holder for their lens, but you can pop it out and then just have like a regular case. So what Moment is known for are their lenses. This right here is an anamorphic lens. This gives that movie quality you guys ever see when you go to IMAX and it's really, really wide and it shows that. A normal anamorphic lens costs upwards of $5,000. This is $199 for your phone and gives you that same quality of a $5,000 lens. So you can see where we're going here. Really cool. And it just connects to your case. There's a little rivet here in the bottom. You go put it in the bottom, you turn it, And now when you put your phone in it, you now have an anamorphic lens that gives you the exact same quality of those movie type anamorphic. The next thing that we have from Moment is their lens filter. This filter, if you see the little hole right here, it allows for you to put it over your anamorphic, and now you can start to do a little bit more special things. All right, so the next thing is this 1.8 black mist filter. It allows to give your photos and videos a blooming effect.
What's a bloom?
A bloom, it kind of gives a slight blur to your image that gives that movie-like quality that you guys might see where the lights kind of just soften up a bit. It really softens the image. It even softens your skin. It's almost like it's really good for you guys that want to.
Filter.
It's almost kind of like a little
bit.
But if you guys ever see movies and you see it kind of looks almost dream-like, just slightly, that's this one. So why it's perfect for your phone is our phones, they're really good now and they make images really, really sharp. And while that is nice, if you really want to go with that cinematic tone, this filter tones down the over sharpness of your phone to then give it a more soft appeal. So adding this to the lens and to your camera, now you're going to have that movie-like softness. So you just twist it onto the filter right here. You twist it on and that's your first filter. We're going to have two filters. Our next one is a VND filter. A VND filter, we consider this as sunglasses for your camera. So if you see, if I turn it, you can see how almost you can see through it like sunglasses. It allows for your camera to shoot in 24 frames per second, which is the exact quality that you see in movies that gives you a nice motion blur versus like more common TVs where if you notice they look too quick and you can almost see spotty, you can almost freeze every frame and you can see it. With this one, it allows for you to get that nice blur that feels natural to the human eye. Our human eye is more like a 24 frames per second, and this allows for that. So what you do is you connect this to this filter, and then now you have the quality of a DSLR on your phone. It is big and bulky when you want to record, but when you don't want to record, you just twist it off and you have a phone again.
Easy. So we have all the things to make the image quality look amazing, but one of my favorite ways of upping the quality, pumping everything up a notch, is by getting a stabilizer.
So guys, this is the DJI Osmo 4. Right now the 6 is out, so I would suggest everyone get the 6. But what this allows for you to do is allows for you to get that smooth flow. If you ever see cameras kind of going in and there's no shakiness, none of the jerkiness, just comes up and it comes smooth. So this takes your footage to another level. If this brings the cinema, that brings the swag. And so I would say, if anything, get that first and then get these.
Yeah, I really love this. This is like a game changer.
Yeah.
So with that, I'm pretty sure you will find something in this list for the special guys in your life and the girls, because there's a couple of these that I want for myself, especially if you're a content creator. I'm gonna list everything down below. Thank you so much for joining us.
You guys for having me along this channel.
And I'll see you in a few days. Stay tuned because we've got some really special videos for the holiday season coming up. All right, bye. Hey loves, welcome back to me. Excuse me. We are going to be sharing. Why am I looking up at the mic? That is crazy. I've never done that before. It's because you're here. So the first gift idea. I like this aluminum kind of finish.
Aluminium.
And be tuned. And wait. And stay tuned.
Be tuned.
And be tuned.